Have you ever wondered how our bodies stay healthy despite being surrounded by tiny organisms that can cause illness? The answer lies in a complex and fascinating network of cells, tissues, and organs called the immune system. This intricate system works tirelessly, 24/7, to protect us from a constant barrage of harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. These invaders are everywhere, in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the surfaces we touch. Think of your immune system as an army stationed inside your body, always on high alert, ready to defend against any threat. This army has specialized units, each with a unique role to play in identifying, attacking, and neutralizing these invaders before they can cause harm. The immune system is a remarkable feat of biological engineering, capable of distinguishing our own cells from foreign invaders. It can remember past encounters and mount targeted attacks against specific threats. This incredible system is our body's unsung hero, silently protecting us and keeping us healthy. Imagine a lock and key, where the lock represents your body's cells and the key represents an invader. Just like only the right key can open a specific lock, invaders have unique markers on their surface called antigens. These antigens act like red flags, signaling to your immune system that something foreign has entered the body. The immune system has an incredible ability to recognize these antigens as foreign, triggering a cascade of responses to neutralize the threat. Think of it like an alarm system being tripped, alerting the security team to take action. Each antigen has a corresponding antibody, a specialized protein produced by the immune system, designed to bind to it with a perfect fit, like a lock and key. This specific recognition is crucial for an effective immune response. It allows the immune system to target invaders precisely without harming the body's own cells. This remarkable ability to distinguish between self and non-self is fundamental to the immune system's function. Before even encountering the specialized cells of the immune system, invaders must first breach our body's impressive first line of defense. This initial barrier is made up of physical and chemical defenses that work together to prevent invaders from entering in the first place. Our skin, the largest organ of the body, acts like a formidable wall, keeping most invaders out. The mucous membranes lining our nose, throat, and lungs trap invaders in sticky mucus, which is then swept away by tiny hairs called cilia. Our digestive system also plays a crucial role in the first line of defense. Stomach acid acts like a powerful chemical barrier, destroying many harmful bacteria that enter our bodies through food and drink. These defenses work together to provide a formidable barrier against the constant onslaught of potential invaders. If invaders manage to bypass the first line of defense, the immune system deploys its specialized army of white blood cells. These cells constantly patrol the bloodstream and tissues, searching for anything suspicious. There are different types of white blood cells, each with a specific job to do. Macrophages, for instance, are like Pac-Man cells, engulfing and destroying invaders through a process called phagocytosis. They are the first responders, quickly neutralizing threats and preventing them from spreading. Lymphocytes, another type of white blood cell, are responsible for recognizing and targeting specific invaders. This group includes T cells and B cells, which play crucial roles in both the immediate and long-term immune response. Together, these white blood cells work in a coordinated effort to identify, attack, and eliminate threats to the body. Section 5. Antibodies, seeking and destroying invaders. Antibodies are specialized proteins produced by B cells, a type of white blood cell. These remarkable molecules act like guided missiles, each designed to target a specific antigen on the surface of an invader. Imagine them as wanted posters with a picture of the enemy, allowing other immune cells to recognize and destroy them. When an antibody binds to its matching antigen, it marks the invader for destruction. This binding can neutralize the invader directly, preventing it from infecting cells. It can also trigger a cascade of reactions, activating other immune cells to join the fight. What makes antibodies even more remarkable is their ability to remember past encounters with invaders. This memory allows the immune system to mount a faster and more effective response upon subsequent exposures to the same threat. This is the basis for long-term immunity to certain diseases. Section 6. T cells. Precision targeting of infected cells. While antibodies target free-floating invaders, T cells, another type of lymphocyte, deal with cells that have already been infected. These cells act like assassins, identifying and destroying infected cells before they can release more invaders and spread the infection. There are different types of T cells, each with a specific role. Cytotoxic T cells, also known as killer T cells, directly destroy infected cells. They release toxic substances that kill the infected cell and the invaders inside. Helper T cells, on the other hand, act like coordinators of the immune response. They release chemical signals that activate other immune cells like B cells and macrophages to join the fight. This coordinated effort ensures a swift and effective response to contain the infection. Section 7. Inflammation, a necessary response to infection. You might associate inflammation with pain and swelling, but it's actually a crucial part of the immune response. When tissues are injured or infected, the body triggers an inflammatory response to contain the damage and promote healing. Inflammation is characterized by redness, swelling, heat, and pain. These symptoms are a result of increased blood flow to the affected area, bringing more immune cells and nutrients to fight the infection and repair damaged tissues. While inflammation is a natural and essential part of healing, chronic or excessive inflammation can be harmful. It's important to address the underlying cause of inflammation and seek medical attention if necessary. Section 8. Immunity. Remembering the enemy for future battles. One of the most remarkable features of the immune system is its ability to remember past encounters with invaders. This memory allows the body to mount a faster and more effective response upon subsequent exposures to the same threat, providing long-term immunity. This immunological memory is the basis for vaccines. When you get vaccinated, you're exposed to a weakened or inactive form of the invader. This exposure triggers an immune response, leading to the production of memory cells that remember the specific invader. If you encounter the same invader again in the future, these memory cells will recognize it immediately and mount a rapid and robust response, preventing or minimizing illness. This is why vaccines are so effective in protecting us from infectious diseases. Section 9. Vaccines. Training the immune system for future threats. Vaccines are one of the greatest achievements in modern medicine. They work by mimicking natural infection, safely training the immune system to recognize and fight specific invaders without causing the actual disease. Think of it as giving your immune system a sneak peek of the enemy, allowing it to prepare for future battles. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive forms of viruses or bacteria, or even just parts of these invaders, like specific proteins. When introduced into the body, these harmless components trigger an immune response, leading to the production of antibodies and memory cells. This preemptive training allows the immune system to recognize and neutralize the real invader quickly and effectively, if you ever encounter it in the future, preventing or minimizing illness. Vaccines have saved millions of lives and continue to be one of the most powerful tools we have to protect ourselves and our communities from infectious diseases. Section 10. A healthy lifestyle for a strong immune system. While the immune system is a powerful defense mechanism, its effectiveness depends on various factors, including overall health and lifestyle. Just like a well-maintained army performs better, a healthy body supports a stronger immune response. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, provides essential nutrients that support immune function. Regular exercise improves circulation, allowing immune cells to travel efficiently throughout the body. Adequate sleep is crucial for immune health, as it allows the body to repair and regenerate. Managing stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga can also boost immune function. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can empower your immune system to protect you from illness and keep you feeling your best.